This video will cover the step-by-step electrical installation of the RD1X2 radio receiver, along with pairing your remote control and opening settings. Connecting your mains power to the receiver unit. Warning: please ensure your mains cable is not live and has been disconnected from your electrical source. Firstly, open the receiver unit by squeezing the clips on both sides of the receiver. The front plate will come away from the receiver unit. Place this safely out of the way. Next, loosen the screws on the central green terminal before you feed the mains cable through the central access point. Ensure you strip back the cable casing. Insert each cable into the terminal from left to right. Live brown wire into L, neutral blue wire into N, and the green and yellow earth wire into earth. Tighten the screws that hold the wires in after you insert each wire. Next, wiring in the motor. The motor is connected to the receiver unit with a 4-core wire. Cut the cable to length as required. Ensure you strip back the cable casing before feeding it through the left access point. Insert each wire one by one, starting from the left-hand side, tightening the screws after you insert each wire. Insert the brown wire into the first terminal position, L, the black wire into the second terminal position, R, the green and yellow earth into the third terminal position, and the blue wire into the fourth and final terminal, N. Wiring in the safety brake. This is an optional addition. Unscrew and remove the blue wire from the fourth position on the motor terminal block, N. Push this to one side, you will need this later. Cut the safety brake cable to length as required. Ensure you strip back the cable casing before feeding it through the left access point. Next, insert the blue safety wire from the 2-core into the fourth terminal on the left-hand motor block, N. Next, using a connection block, join together the blue wire from the 4-core cable to the brown wire from the 2-core cable. Pairing a remote control to the receiver unit. Firstly, press and release the program button circled on the receiver unit. The green light will flash. Next, press and hold the circle button on the remote for 5 seconds and then release. The remote has now been paired with the receiver unit. Resetting the remote control memory. To remove any paired remotes. Firstly, push and hold the black program button circled. The green LED will flash. The green LED will flash faster. At this point, you can release the program button, then press once more and let it go. The receiver remote control memory has now been cleared. Remote control direction of rotation. Depending on how your receiver was configured during manufacture. Once paired, your remote control button may be reversed, meaning that the top button on your remote control will be closed rather than open. Changing the switch, circled, allows you to reverse this setting. Hold to run function. The hold to run function allows the operator to control the door with either a 1 press, open and close, or a 1 press, open and hold to close. Changing the switch, circled, allows you to reverse this setting. RD1X2 radio receiver side manual controls. On the side of the receiver unit are 3 buttons: open, close and stop. Depending on how your receiver was configured during manufacture, the functions of each of these buttons may be reversed, meaning that the top button could be closed rather than open. If the functions are reversed, changing the switch, circled, allows you to reverse this setting.